respected manager, all the teachers, honorable guests and everyone present here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Asad. I am truly honored to stand before you. I am a student of class 2nd and would like to take a moment to share a speech on the power of education. Education is the act of learning things around us. It helps us to understand and deal with any problem and makes a balance throughout the whole life in every aspect. Today, we are living in a nation where survival without education is getting tougher day by day. We as a minority are far behind from education. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. It creates knowledge, builds confidence and breaks down barriers to opportunity. Education is a key to open the door to a better life. All the children deserve to receive the precious gift of education. However, it is a sad reality of our world that millions of children will never receive education. In the end, we can conclude that we should keep learning and spreading education till that. Thank you.